Well, thanks for joining me again today. What I have today, I got another one of these packages. This is 2005, this model, and this is a Speed Reader, a Speed Readerz. And what you can see in there is a screen in a truck, and it displays vehicle speeds. So works with boosters and on track. So I'll put it on the Hot Wheel track later and we'll spin it around. But there it says there, 2005. What an interesting little toy this one is. Speed Readerz, and 150 kilometers. And it says that Hot Wheels cars are 1/64th the size of a real car. So if a Hot Wheels car goes 10 miles per hour, you can calculate 10 miles per hour times 64 equals 640 miles an hour. Now that's pretty quick. I don't think we'll be doing that today. Well, maybe we will. Let's find out. Let's open her up and have a look. Oh, actually, before I open it up, because this is new, I haven't opened it up. As I said, 2005. I thought this might be flat, but anyway, let's it says try me, and look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's working. Okay, well, I've cut it very nicely down here and nicely along here. That's so I don't wreck the box. So let's have a look at this little car. As usual, the Hot Wheel flames. It's got modes and that under here, so I'll just press a few of these and see if anything comes up. Oh, look, we have got something that's come up on the mode. So I'm going to have to work this out. I'll have to read the instructions, and I've got the instructions here. Good old Hot Wheels. So let me read some instructions and I'll get back to you. So what we'll do first, we have some modes there. So I'll just press this mode here. Okay, the next reading we'll do it in kilometers per hour. You can see there, so she's on 0, and let's see how fast she goes. Good. 346. Well, there you go. There's our first test run. We've got 213 miles an hour. A bit of a crash there, but let's see, did we beat it? Oh, not bad, we crashed at 216. Oh, the batteries must be getting flat. Another crash. How did we go? Was that because we're going too fast? No, nowhere near it. 165 miles an hour. Another crash, but did we do better? I think we did that before. 216 miles an hour. So if you do 10 miles an hour at 64, that's 640 miles an hour, and we did 220 times 64. Well, I'll let you work it out if you're good at maths. So just put in 220 times 64. And that'll tell you how fast we went today. Thanks for watching.